Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new cozy scarf tutorial. I'm going to show you a really nice scarf today made out of double crochets in a really simple pattern. So we always just go around like a chain stitch from the row before in like a double V pattern kind of. And yeah, I think it's just a beautiful little pattern. It's really easy to make. I used my size 6 crocheting hook, and I'm obviously going to show you the wool that I used here. And yeah, we just have a really pretty color change here with some nice like pink and pastel-y colors and some like, you know, like a beige color. And I'm going to show you now how I did this. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we are with this cozy ball of yarn. It's called Painted Power Wool from Rico Design. Creative Painted Power it's called. Let's see, where are the details? It's a pretty big ball of yarn, 100 grams and 310 meters long. It's 43% polyacrylic, 41% polyester, 9% polyamide, 7% wool. So an interesting mix here. Meant for size 7 crocheting hooks. Sorry, for size 5 crocheting hooks, but I'm going to use my size 6 actually. This is what the color changes look like, so really nice different warm colors. Some purples, some pinks, some reds also. And I'm going to start by taking out the middle from the inside. And it starts here with a really nice pastel-y pink. The wool's fully dyed through, not like knotted. And it has like a nice, almost like a little coating around. It looks maybe a little like scratchy, but it's really soft. The color, by the way, is the number 3. And here we have the beginning. All right, here it is. So this is what we're going to start with. And I'm going to start with some chain stitches here. And I'll do a multiple of 4. In this case, yeah, I'll tell you. I'm going to add on top of that stitches for height. So I'm going to start with 16 here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. So as you can see here, the size for the crocheting hooks like works really well. And then we will add here another 3 for height. All right. I'm going to take, a little more wool here, and then I will skip the first 4 chain stitches. And I will go into the 5th one and start here with a double crochet. Right next to it, right into the same stitch, another double crochet, then I add a chain stitch, and then I'll add 2 more double crochets into that same little stitch. So we have a total of 4 double crochets in that one stitch. And we have this little arc. That's what we're kind of making here. Then we continue. And I will skip again a few chain stitches here just to get a little more space. So I'm going to skip the next 3 stitches. And I'm going to go into the 4th one and do the exact same pattern. So double crochet, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. And then we're done with the 2nd arc. And then again we will skip 3 chain stitches here in the 1st row, and then we do another one of these arcs. So 2 double crochets, then a chain stitch, and then another 2 double crochets all into the same stitch. Then again, we'll skip 3 chain stitches, and then we'll go into here into the 4th one, and we do the exact same arc pattern here again. So 4 double crochets with a chain stitch in the middle. All right. Then we have 2 chain stitches left, and that's exactly how it should be. So I go into the very last chain stitch now, so we skip 1, and we add a double crochet. Then we have 4 of these little arcs that we just made, because we chose a multiple of 4 for the bottom also. And so we chose 16 chain stitches, and now we have 4 of these arcs. If I had chosen 20, so 4 times 5, I would have had 5 of these arcs. Okay, here we continue with 3 chain stitches for height. Then we go again here around the chain stitch that's in the middle of the packs, at the middle of the arcs, and then we add the next pack there. So again, we do 4 double crochets with a chain stitch in the middle. So we always just go right around the chain stitch in between the double crochets, so it's nice and easy. It's really nice and simple to see where you're supposed to go. And we add the double crochets. Then we have these 4 done. We'll go to the next pack, and again around the chain stitches we add the double crochets. And we always put the chain stitch in the middle of the double crochets. Then here, the next one. Again, 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. All right. And then here at the corner, at the border, we will go around the chain stitches here from the very beginning where we start the row with, and I'll add 1 double crochet. And then at the corners, we always either have the chain stitches or we have the single double crochet. So that's kind of what we're shooting for. So we always have like kind of a border on the side. Then again, 3 chain stitches for height. And then we turn it around and we go backwards again in these little packs, these little arcs. So we do the 2 double crochets, then a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. And we always do these around the chain stitch that's in the middle of the pack of the row before. Okay. So it's a pretty simple pattern here. It doesn't really change. We just continue doing the exact same pattern every row. Then again here. Don't forget the chain stitch in the middle. And then now you can already see a slight color change. And I'm going to take some more wool in a minute and see what the colors look like. Which ones are coming up. But I really like the color so far. I like the combinations, and I think it looks, it's just a really nice tone. All right, and let's have a quick look at the wool here after the end of this row. At the very end, we always just do a double crochet for the border. And so here you can now see the first 3 rows completed. Really nice and cozy, to be honest, really nice and soft. And let's have a look at the wool. So here's the next little speck of color. Try to get a little more. And you can see here is definitely more of a color change happening very soon. And that's actually the color that's here on the outside. And you can see we just used this one with a little bit of like sprinkles almost from the next color. And it just looks exactly like it does on the packaging, which is nice. And I'm going to give you an update in a little bit. Okay, so here's my update for you guys. You can see here the color fade. It goes from like the more like reddish to the more like bright pink, a slow color fade. And then here we had like more of a dark purple, and then over to, yeah, this more like reddish color. We're gonna have a look here again to the packaging. And that's kind of this tone here that's more the reddish orange. And then we have here the pink, and it's probably going to switch back into the darker red tone. From the outside, obviously, you can also see this on the ball of yarn with the nice, yeah, color switches. And yeah, I'm going to continue. All right, guys, so I made a lot more progress here, as you can see. You can see these nice colored fades here again, with the nice, yeah, just this area almost has like more sprinkles in there. Looks really nice, I think. And so I'm at this corner here right now, and I think the length is actually great right now. I'm at about 1.50 meters, and I'm just gonna finish off the scarf here. I actually have some yarn left, so you could actually, you know, make a little new project, maybe a headband, or, you know, something like that. And then usually about 40 grams is a great amount of wool to have left over. I'm gonna cut off the thread here and pull it through. And then obviously you will still go and hide the beginning and the end thread. This is the one. And then the scarf is actually done. And you can see here just how cute this pattern looks. How nicely the little V's like kind of go into each other. And obviously you can wrap this scarf multiple times around your neck. And yeah, obviously these little holes, they belong to the pattern, and but you're supposed to wrap the scarf around your neck a little bit, and then it'll be nice and warming. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then hopefully I will see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!